Every month, 7 AI apps quietly took my money, so I tried something different. Here's what happened. Chat, code, voice, pictures, notes, every tool had its own bill. Together, they hit $154 a month. Add up 12 months and that's $1,800. Gone. And I still didn't own a single thing. So think about takeout. 7 menus, every night, forever. Or you build one small kitchen and cook at home. But let's be honest, the box isn't free, it sips power. About $2.70 a month, still 50 times cheaper. One little machine, $550, runs the chat, the coding help, the voice, and the pictures. Here's the trick. Some models act like 30 cooks where only 3 touch each dish. Fast. The others use everyone. Slow. The kitchen tool is called Olama. It's free, open source, and it runs those models right on your machine. One line installs it, one more starts a coding model. Add verbose and it prints your real speed live. Now the best part, Olama speaks the same language as OpenAI's API, so your old code just works. Look at that. You change one address and one fake key, that's it. Your app now talks to your own box. One warning, your machine claims it has too little memory. One setting unlocks it and the big model finally loads. So start small tonight. Install it, run one model, add voice with Whisper, then cancel just one subscription. Enjoying this? Tap subscribe so you never miss what CloudEdventures makes next. In under 4 months, that box pays for itself, then it's yours. Follow CloudEdventures and build yours next.